Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to navigate your promotions in your Advertiser dashboard. From the home page, navigate to the dashboard. Once in your dashboard, select Promotions on the left, and then select My Promotions from the drop-down menu. Here, we are going to view the analytics of the promotions. Click on the Analytics button on the right-hand side of your promotion. These statistics will show you how many people have clicked on your promotion and also how many impressions it has had. Next, navigate to Promotions and then My Wallet. This displays your pending charges for the amount of clicks, your total balance before payments have been taken out, and your current balance that you are able to withdraw. This type of promotion costs £1 per click, meaning £1 will be charged to the advertiser each time someone clicks. This is taken out of your account once daily. Below, you will be able to see any transactions that have been made. You can add funds to your wallet also by clicking the button in the top right. You have now completed your promotion navigation. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.